Hello, this is Brendan Dowdle from Construction Coordinators. It's May 20th, 2014, and it's week 25 of the Riverbend School construction project. Standing on the side of the building, looking at the back of the building, and just want to highlight a pretty big milestone. We're finishing up the roofing on the back of the building. So if I zoom in here, you can kind of take a look and see our roofing. And what you're looking at here, what's happening, they're building a parapet wall, which is just a small wall that stands up above the floor, which will be the end of the flat roof area. So this is the flat roof area. It's a pitch roof in the back, pitch roof in the front. Again, here's our parapet. So I'm on top of the roof at the moment, the flat roof area. Just pan out so I can show you around here. And just to show you the parapet a little more detail. So the parapet is simply a small or half wall, maybe if you want to call it, and it has kickers, or these studs that are at a 45 that help to brace it. And it's going to get sheathed completely, so you can see over here there is some plywood or sheathing that will go across the studs that are at 45, and then also go up this little bit from here. And so this parapet will go from one end of the roof all the way down the side to the other end of the flat roof, and then also over here. And let me show you the parapet that they're building over here. So you can see, zoom in a little bit, this is the parapet wall on the other side that they're building, and they're just about ready to stand it up. The approach that they take is to build it on the ground, or in this case on the roof, and then they're going to all together stand it up, stand it straight up, and then they'll add their kickers to brace it. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of the shingles on the pitch roof as well. I'm sure this is something everyone's familiar with, shingles on pitch roof from many houses. And so we're at the bottom, and when roofers start, they start at the bottom and layer each row on top of each other. So that when water is running down from the top to the bottom, it's always staying on top. And you'll never get water getting underneath each row of shingles. And it terminates down here at the bottom at a drip edge, and if I zoom in here, you can kind of see this piece of metal that's blurry finger, but you can see this piece of metal here that's providing a drip edge. So if any water gets down to the end, it goes onto the drip edge and falls down. And then at the top of the roof, there's a ridge vent. Let me see if I can zoom in enough to show that. You can see this very top row is sticking out above the rest of the shingles, and the intent is to let some airflow get through there. That's it for this week. See you next week.